Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we have another CN Fans haul, and this is 4 items from the CN Fans website. If you haven't heard of CN Fans, it's basically an agent purchasing website. You identify the items you want, you pay for them, an agent then goes and buys them on your behalf. You're then shown QC photos, which you can decide if you're happy or not. If you are happy, you submit them, you then pay the shipping fee, which is the exact weight of the parcel, and then the items arrives at your doorstep. It took about 10 days in all honesty, which I think is absolutely outstanding, and the price of these products is absolutely fantastic. I do have a CN Fans referral link in the description of this video. If you sign up using my referral, it helps me out. It just means that I get some additional credits that I can then go and continue buying these sort of items. There's 4 products in this unboxing video, and I'll be doing them over the next 4 videos. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back to watch the next ones. If you have any questions around CN Fans or anything else, by all means drop them below and I'll get back to you. But we'll get this box open and we'll take a look at the first item. Okay, let's get the item out of the box. And you can't really see what this one is at the moment, but it's a pair of shorts. So the reason why it's in the bag like this, as I mentioned in the intro, you get QC photos from CN Fans. So they take the items out of the bag and they send you a few photos so you can see what the item looks like. If I can, I'll put a couple of photos here of the QC photos for this item so you can see what it looks like. What that then enables you to do is basically approve whether you're happy with the item. If you are happy, then it gets put into the box and it's ready to be posted out to you. So I'll get these out the bag and we'll take a look at these shorts. They're Gallery Dept shorts from CN Fans. I'll also have a look because I can't remember exactly what the cost is, but once I've got them out the bag, I will confirm the price of these items as well. Okay, we've got them out the bag, and the price of these was $19. I'm not sure why it shows it in dollars on there. The other items show it in pounds, but in today's exchange rate, that's about £14. So just got a standard sort of top on it, and there's a drawstring on them. Oh, there is a string there, which is on the inside. And the Gallery Dept ones have obviously got all these like paint splodges on them, which I think looks pretty cool actually. This is all printed into the material. It feels quite luxurious actually. And then you've got like a rip out on the side, and you've got a rip out on that side too, with again more paint splodges. Inside, like an extra bit of material there in different colour. But a lot of splodges down there, which I think looks really quite impressive. But that's the front of the shorts done. Let me show you the reverse side now too. Okay, we flipped it around now, and again you've got the paint splodges, and to be fair, that actually feels like paint on them. So whatever they've done on the design, it does feel like it's paint that's been splodged on there. A few creases from where it's been in the bag, but nothing to really worry about there. Again, some more splodges, frayed material at the bottom. A really nice design. Size I got from these was XL. I'm normally a large in shorts, but I thought I would size up, and obviously because there is the drawstring in there, I'm able to make them a little bit tighter if I need to. But no, really nice. There is a pocket on this side, and I think there is a pocket on this side as well. Yeah, there is a pocket on that side as well. Not a zip pocket, just a standard pocket. But there are our Gallery Dept shorts. Perfect for the sunny weather that we've got here in the UK right now. Right, and there we have it. These are our Gallery Dept shorts from cnfans.com. For those of you who don't know what CN Fans is, it is an agent buying site. I do have a referral link in the description of this video. If you sign up using that code, you'll get some coupons. I'll also get some additional credit, which means I can continue buying these items on the CN Fans website and show you them what I'm getting. Price for these was about £14, I think I said, $19, which equates to about £14, looking at today's conversion rates, which I think is absolutely perfect really for this sort of item. Really smart pair of shorts. Delivery time scales, it was about 10 days in all honesty, from being told that the item had been posted to get in here. It was delivered by Royal Mail, and absolutely, yeah, perfect. So I've done quite a few videos now from CN fans, so check them out on my other videos. And I've got another box of about 4 items coming soon, which has actually just been dispatched today. So I'll expect that to come through very soon. My videos are a bit all over the place in regards to when they come out. Today is midway through July, but this video probably won't be out until about August time. So hopefully when this is released, my next items have arrived and I'll already have recorded them, and they'll probably be on the schedule to be uploaded as well. But let me know in the comments below if you've used CN fans before, what items you've purchased, or even if you've got a pair of these shorts, let me know how much they look like the official ones. So yeah, drop me a comment below and let me know. Subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. I've got loads more content coming up. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.